Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Square Online for responsive storefront UI, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Square Online website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. On the next page, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click Next. Next, create a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again. After that, fill in your business name. Select the appropriate business category from the drop-down menu. Enter your phone number for account verification. Click Next to proceed to the next step. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from Square. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Square Online page. You will be asked to provide your store's address. Enter your business address and click Next. Next, choose if you will be selling products or services. If you choose products, you will need to upload images and details for each item. Follow the prompts to add descriptions, prices, and inventory details. For services, detail the service offerings and their pricing. Customize your store's layout by selecting a template. Preview the template to see how it looks on various devices. Once satisfied, click Continue to finalize your store settings. Choose your payment methods, such as credit or debit cards. Connect your bank account for transactions. Review your store's information and settings for accuracy. When everything is set, click on Launch Site. Your Square Online store is now live and ready for customers. Explore the dashboard to manage your products and view analytics. Remember to regularly update your inventory and monitor customer feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.